Rebuild Kerala is a platform for crowdfunding by the Government of Kerala, inviting you, individuals and institutions, to join hands and contribute to the recovery and rebuilding of Kerala from flood devastation. The platform ensures the easy channeling of funds from donors to the projects of their choice. Explore projects. Rebuild.kerala.govt.in will introduce you to the reconstruction and rehabilitation projects of government departments or approved agencies. You may extend support to the projects of your choice. Fund projects. The online initiative urges donors worldwide to choose projects based on their interests and support high-impact projects. Government-engaged agencies, organizations and individuals will ensure effective implementation and monitoring of the projects. Track your projects. Updates by government departments or approved agencies with visual evidence will help you track the progress of your project. The donors are ensured of transparency in project management. At a later stage, this transparency will be enhanced by involving the public as social monitors of the projects. Rebuild Kerala is the earnest desire of a state striving to rise from the ravages of flood. What we seek is a flood of global support. Will you help us rise again? Log on to rebuild.kerala.gov.in and make a difference today.